Can I replace my blower motor myself? Yes, if you are comfortable with basic tools, safe electrical steps, and your specific heating and cooling system, you can often replace it yourself. A blower motor is the part that pushes air through your vents, so when it fails, your home can stop feeling warm or cool even if the rest of the system is working. Before you touch anything, turn off the power at the breaker and the service switch, because these systems can still hold dangerous electricity. The motor is usually inside the indoor air handler or furnace, and you may need to remove a panel, disconnect wires, and slide out the blower assembly. One thing many people do not know is that the motor might look the same, but still be the wrong type if the shaft length, rotation direction, voltage, or speed settings do not match. Another less obvious issue is that a bad capacitor or clogged filter can make a good motor seem broken, so it helps to test the parts before buying anything. If the motor is dirty, the wheel can also get stuck or unbalanced, which makes noise and reduces airflow. Taking clear photos before disconnecting wires can save you from guessing later. If you match the exact model and reinstall everything carefully, this can be a practical do-it-yourself job. A common mistake is assuming every blower motor is interchangeable, but even small differences can keep the system from working right, so always match the label and part number. Another problem is forgetting to check the capacitor, wiring, and fan wheel, which can cause the new motor to fail early, so inspect those parts before you install anything. People also rush the job and skip the safety step of killing power, but that is the one thing you should never skip, so test for power twice before touching wires. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.